Hi nail fam, I hope that you are doing well. I started doing my nails and I decided that I would show you how to do the final finger. I am doing the lazy girl method and I have already applied this acid-free primer to the nail tip. I'm now going to go ahead and apply a layer of base gel onto this nail because I am going to be putting polygel onto this nail to adhere to my finger. Now I am using some maple leaf sequins because I don't have the cannabis sequins and I'm kind of doing a 420 nail kind of design. So because I don't have the cannabis, I am using maple sequins and I'm just going to stick these in and flash cure them for a few seconds.
I won't let it out until you let me know if you love. Just admit it, you got it, baby. Ain't you ready to go? And you with it, you know it, lady. Damn it, baby, I know. Tell me reasons she's still here waiting. And you felt this before. All I want is you now and later. Go wherever I go. Go wherever I do.
Once I am done flash curing, I'm going to apply just a little bit of base gel to the back of these sequins just to make sure that they don't move when I apply the polygel. And I'm using a Saviland glitter polygel. Before applying the nail to my finger, I'm just going to go ahead with a thin layer of base gel onto my nail, quickly cure this under my UV lamp, and then apply the polygel nail tip to my finger. And then you would also cure this under your UV lamp for about 60 to 90 seconds. So here's how the nails are looking after they've been cured. So now it is time to grab your 100-180 file as well as your buffer to your nails. The nails look really pretty, but I still feel as if they have like a Christmas vibe to them, you know, with all the glitter and the colors of Christmas, you know. So I'm going to do the No Monomer Method onto my nails by using a mixture of the Saviland Acrylic powder as well as some pigment from this eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. So I'm going to quickly mix together my acrylic colors. So my colors are done. I have grabbed my foil glue that I always use in my previous videos, and I'm just doing a slanted French coverage to my nail tip. So after I've applied a very thin layer of this foil glue, then I'm just going to go ahead and pour my acrylic mixtures over each nail.
Emotions normally take away your pulse. I know your name. Tell me who you really waiting for.
Now that all of the colored acrylic is on, I'm now going to go ahead and apply some clear acrylic just to bring the other part of this nail layer up. Since I have 2 coats of the colored acrylic on the tip, I'm now going to apply 2 coats of the clear acrylic powder to my nail.
I won't let it out until you let me know if you're good. Just admit it, you got it, baby. Ain't you ready to go? And you with it, you know it, lady. Damn it, baby, I know. Tell me reasons you still here waiting. And you felt this before. All I want is you now and later. Go wherever I go. Go wherever I do. Go wherever I go. Do wherever you know. You know it. I know you know. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. To the sky, to the sky, to the sky. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more.
So the 2 coats are on and I've dusted the XX powder off, and now I'm going to go in with my Saviland top coat over all of my nails and cure this under the UV lamp for 60 to 90 seconds.
I won't let it out until you let me know if you
Now I do notice that the nail, the glitter polygel does look a little bit cloudy, like it's no longer bling blinging. So I need to add a little oomph to this nail. So I'm going to take my Model 1's white gel polish, put a little drop onto this dish, and I'm going to take a liner brush and just kind of draw some smoke onto this nail. Now, you can draw it on and then take another brush dipped in isopropyl alcohol to kind of diffuse the strong lines. But I'm just going to show you how I did this. I don't know. Does it look like smoke to you? Well, kind of looks like smoke, so we'll leave it for now. So here's how the nails are looking so far. I did do some rhinestones 420 on it, but I still feel like it needs a little bit more color. So I'm going to add some more color. And this time I'm going to use these 3 colors from Beetles, similar color to the acrylic powders that I already have on my nails. And here is how the nail turned out. So I don't know. It's nice. I think I could have done a little bit better, but let me know down in the comments what you think of this attempt for 420 nails, and I will see you in the next video.